So here's another technique I use before I sand down the surface. I don't want to get any of the material down the oil galleys or the water. So I just use this one right here. See this? There. Making a mess here. But to give you guys an idea, just grab one of those. There you go. A little messy, but you get the idea. Now you can sand it down without anything going into the galleys. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get a piece of glass so that it's nice and smooth, wide enough to cover the whole top of the cylinder block. Also, just attach a sandpaper to it. You can just slide this thing back and forth on the top of the block. Not putting a lot of weight on it, just enough to feel some type of drag, and you should be good. Once you're done surfacing the engine block, you have to clean it up with
Another way Capital One is watching out for your money when you're not. Capital One.